My name is Grot. 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 Polish soldier who fights in the best areas like this here at Fort Knox. Here you have my blue team, which is the Great Soldier Pack. And here we are fighting together against the red team, which is our enemy here. Yeah. Blue team starts on the right corner here, and reds are on opposite side here, where we will clash in the center in the buildings in between. So we moved from our blue position to start the strike to the red team. I went with my fellows on the right side after the building. And we engaged the enemy. I contacted the two enemies and immediate response from our side. Yeah, he was dead. Very fast we realized that flag can be captured in this position. So we attacked and took over the blue flag with the success. After flag capture, we very fast changed the position and attacked the red enemy behind. We went back to the woods and engaged a red enemy who went through. Like hit, yeah. We noticed a lot of enemies in the building, so we decided to enter inside and to make a fight. Headshot. Another kill from the window. Extraction from the building. Thank you for watching and see you soon. And thanks all my fellows who fight with me and of course my enemies. See you next time.